Okay, this is the trig graph question that we have to do, and let's just get started. They say there's a function f, that's this wavy thing here, that's a times cos x, and g of x, which equals tan x. Those are those waves that go through like that. So there's g and there's f. First question is, what's a? Well, a is the amplitude of the cosine thing. How tall does the wave get? 2. That's the number that goes in front. So a is just equal to 2. The range of g is all the possible values for tangent, all the possible y values. Well, look, it goes to infinity up here, it goes to infinity down here. Each wave does that. So the range of g is just all the real numbers in between positive and negative infinity. And what's the period of the cos graph? It goes from minus 90 to 270. That's 90 plus 270. It's got a period of 360 degrees. And that's all there is to it. Now the next question is a little bit more difficult. I had to do the video twice because I made a mistake the first time. I got to be real careful. When does f multiply by g to give you a negative number or 0? Well, at minus 90 degrees it doesn't work because tangent doesn't even exist. But as soon as I get here, look, there's a little positive value for y, and way down here is a negative value for g. And it multiplies to equal a number that's negative. So it's working just fine in between, it's working just fine in between 0, minus 90, and 0 degrees. And that's your answer. But not equal to minus 90. Now, if you go here, look, they're on the same side of the line. Look right here. Positive value, they would multiply and give you something greater than 0. So that wouldn't work. That's no good there. So it's still no good. It's no good here. It's not good at 90 degrees. And now they're both negative, so it's not going to work there. But as soon as I hit 180, it's going to be 0. Because that's 0 times negative 2. So 180 is okay. Greater than or equal to 180 is good. And it's fine here. Just until you get to 270, it stops working because tangent can't go there. So you take that line off. There's your two answers. Okay, the last question, 5.1.5. It says two questions here. The first question says, okay, there's this graph. They say it's going to go 90 degrees to the right, but 2 units up. And all you have to know, if you want to move any function to the right, you subtract inside the bracket. So you just go the cosine of x minus 90 plus 2. That's your new graph. But you have to be clever and go, oh, the cosine of x minus 90 is the same as sine x. So it's just sine x. That's right. That's a cofunction thing. So it's just the graph of sine x plus 2. I think that's right. Yeah, that is right. The cosine of 90 minus x is sine 90. That's right. Okay, the next question says, r is mapped to a new point P. So this r, when it goes 90 degrees right and then goes 2 units up, where will it be? I figure it's just 270 and 0. So when this graph gets transformed, every point moves the same way. So you go 90 degrees to the right, just go to 270, and go 2 up. Hey, that was easy. It sounds hard, but it was easy. And that's all you got. That's what it is.